So hello all, we are going to talk about air around us. So the contents that we are going to learn are wait a minute, let me just open. The contents are introduction first of all. Here it is. Don't say it right now. Properties of the air we'll be learning about, and the uses of air like burning or breathing, and we'll practice some questions that you can I'll give some homework questions too that you can answer in the chat box or in the Discord server. Introduction. Air is all around us. As you can see, you can't see even the air, like in this bottle and over here, over here, over here. Everywhere is the air. So like you're sitting in a room, yay, and you can't see anything. The air is invisible. You are surrounded by air everywhere. You can't see it, I know that. It's because it's invisible, so that is why. Okay. It is a mixture of many gases. As you can see, it has nitrogen and CO2, carbon dioxide, you can say, or oxygen too, or like you can say hydrogen too. These are the some types of gases present in it. So we'll just continue with the next thing. We cannot see the air, as I told you that it is invisible. Like it's all over in your room, but you can't even see it. So you can also mark this point. Air is homogeneous mixture of gases. Like it can mix with anything. Anything means anything in the world. Do we really need air? Do you think we really need air? Nah, I don't think. But that's wrong. We actually need the air for everything surrounding us and for ourselves also. Importance of the air is for breathing, as I told in the starting. Our lungs function upon the oxygen and changes to the CO2, and like plants do the same. It changes CO2 to carbon dioxide for us. And so let's continue. Importance of the air is for doing burning things. Like we can also say it in a better way, combustion. Combustion is very important for our nature. And it happens in the presence of air. With air, without air, you can just change to without air, burning will stop immediately. And which gas does it need? It needs oxygen. So it needs oxygen and converts to CO2, like we also do in our daily lives. So combustion also needs oxygen
in your personal life.
Yeah, and now the importance of the air. Next part is various types of transports need support of air. Like we have some aeroplanes and so many vehicles like things. So they help you in flying. Yeah. Extra again. Now, wow. Okay. A person inhales almost. You can add it in your normal answers. So I'll not be making you understand this. What makes air? Now this is very important. So you can be taking this as the rest gases. The black one is the rest gases. This oxygen around us is only 21%. So this is less in the air, and nitrogen is 78%, which is very important for the growth of the plants and other organisms. So rest gases around are 1%. So what are the rest gases? So we can say argon is 0.9%, carbon dioxide is 0.03%, water vapor, we don't know. It is a humidity present in the area. You can also write it as humidity in the area. My writing is very bad on PC. Humidity of area. Okay, so neon gas, we don't know. Helium gas, we don't know how it is. Now, what are the properties of the air? Air is a mixture of gases, we already know. Air exerts pressure, like when we make a balloon like this, so it needs some pressure. So air applies pressure inside it in all directions. Air is a matter, therefore has mass. Like we have two balloons of same sizes. So if we add them add the gases in it, so they'll just weigh together same. If we take out ones, it will go up and the bigger one will go down. So air is a matter. Air doesn't have defined volume. Like first it was in a glass, like so much less space, but we transported it in this block and it spread over the area, so it occupies the whole volume of a confined space. As I told you right now, air is a matter. Air doesn't have defined volume. It occupies the whole volume of a confined space. Like I gave you the example of small to big and small to big and small to big, and it even gets bigger to small, bigger to small. This is very easy. Air is transparent, I already told you. Why can't we see air? Particles of these gases are very tiny. Like these are normal small chotu particles in the air. So now we have the introduction. The blanket of air, you can just take this thin out of this area. The blanket of air surrounding the surface of the earth is called the atmosphere. Like you can see this is called the atmosphere. You can just note these lines. What are these layers called? There are in total 5 air layers, that are exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, and troposphere. This is the easy trick to remember it. No, I spoke very badly. Yeah, trust me. Thanks. Now, thrust is troposphere, and now ST is stratosphere, and ME is mesosphere, and TH is thermosphere, and the EX is exosphere. As you can see, let's take a closer look on them. So it is the nearest and the most dense layer to the ground. And troposphere, yeah, temperature gets lower. Like as you can see, when we go to mountains, it is too much cold there. So you don't need to know about it much. So it is in your SST books, but this is the science chapter, so we'll be learning this much only. International Space Stations is in which area? This is a general arts question. Very easy exosphere. Aurora Borealis is found in which sphere? Stratosphere. Yes, exosphere, the most outer layer of the Earth. Satellites are also part of it. As you can see, guys, I already told you. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is what? You can answer this in the chat box. That's very easy. Now you can take this thing's picture. Yeah, take the pictures. Okay, take this picture also. Okay, we're done. Take this picture also. We're done. Now nitrogen. It is used in food packing or making of fertilizers like ammonia and the urea, and like the tire fillings also. It is the gas. which gas can be used for food preservation? If you actually know it, that is the nitrogen. Now this is the question for the homework too. You can answer this in the chat box. Whoever answers this will get a shout out from my side, man. Okay, which gas is used in the fertilizers? This is also a shout out question. Okay, oh my god. Yeah, it is important for the living beings, oxygen, burning, and the welding torch. Like, it also includes the oxygen, like, because it uses fire. Now, percentage of oxygen in exhaled air is around how much? This is the right answer. Carbon dioxide. It helps in the photosynthesis of the fire extinguishers. Like, as you can see, if the oxygen is used in burning, yeah, so carbon dioxide will stop it. Yeah, it is used in the carbonated beverages, and it can trap the heat. It is called the greenhouse effect. You can also note it. Gas which extinguishes fire is yeah, it is the carbon dioxide. You already know it. What is carbogon? If you tell this, I'm going to be very, very happy. Yes, B is the answer. Carbon dioxide and the nitrogen mixture. Inert gases. These gases are non-polluting. These gases are used in fluorescent lamps. Water vapor. It helps in the water cycle. Like, it is also expressed in the humidity, as I told you already. It contributes so much in the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is very much important for us. Now you can tell this in the chat box. This is very, 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 very hard. No, very, very. Okay, now the greenhouse effect. Some sunlight that hits the earth is reflected. Some becomes heat, and some becomes heat. Like, you can see the glaciers are over here and becoming the water. This is called the we can also tell what we said it. I don't remember what we said it. But now CO2 and other gases in the atmosphere trap heat, keeping the earth warm. So I already told you. Carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and the water vapor. You can take their normal short forms too. You can get more marks by this. Now the summary. Air is mixture of gases. Air is important for many activities. These gases have a definite percentage in air. Air is transparent, tasteless, colorless mixture of and is a mixture of the gases. Thank you all for watching this video for this long, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye guys.